Good morning, everyone. It is Eric and Ryan here from Black Rock Coffee in Tempe, Arizona. We are here. It's early in the morning. We've got a demo today, and we're doing real coffee in question.
Yes, we are.
Black Rock Coffee, we've drunk their coffee here in the Phoenix area. Phoenix and Tucson, right?
Yeah.
Several times. We've been here half a dozen different times. This is a brand new one. We've never been to this store in Tempe, but we love their coffee. Just super good people. Just so if you guys have a Black Rock Coffee around, we highly recommend you guys.
It beats the crap out of Starbond.
Yeah. So yeah, feels more like America.
It does. It does.
Anyway, we'll move on. We want to remind you about the Black Friday sale coming up. So the Black Friday sale starts on Friday the 25th at 9 a.m. That's the day after Thanksgiving, 9 a.m. and
Arizona time.
Arizona time, yes. And it runs through 9 p.m. Monday the 28th. So that's the window for the Black Friday sale.
It's going to be all our letter and number sets, the starter packs with letter and numbers sets, template sets, almost everything.
Yeah,
so,
almost everything laser created. The router bits and the base plates not on sale, but everything else is half off. All of the layout stuff is half off. Sets, templates, the big stencils, everything half off. So it's a big sale of the year. Hope you guys take advantage of it and get a value out of it. So anyway, you'll hear more about it as the weeks go on.
Yep.
So we've got a few questions here. First one is from Jack. And Jack says, I normally use oil-based sealer for outside signs. What do you use? There's several things I use for outside signs. My favorite is Czar water-based exterior polyurethane. That was actually recommended to me several years ago from Chris Berry, the Idaho painter. And I had done a collaboration with him, made him a sign, and that's what he recommended to put on. And I've been using that ever since. It sprays really good with the critter. And I think it's a terrific finish. I haven't had any issues with it at all. A lot of people use Helmsman spar urethane. Both oil-based and water-based. I've used oil-based many times, and it works great. The only issue that I have with that is it's really an amber color, so it will, any colors that you have, especially if you have white, if you're putting it over white, it will yellow it. So the water-based stuff generally doesn't have much of a tint to it, if at all. So I'm more of a water-based guy if it's exterior, and the Czar I love this stuff. I really like the way it sprays. I like the way it covers. And then number two part of his question is, does epoxy hold up outside? So there may be an epoxy that does hold up outside. However, the stuff that we use definitely does not have the UV blockers and does not hold up outside. I'm sure that there might be one out there. Total Boat may make one, and there's so many different epoxy makers. But all the epoxy stuff we do up till now is just interior only. I wouldn't put it outside. Now, I know I have talked to Total Boat about being able to put epoxy outside, and they said you can put Halcyon over the top of the epoxy. And that's another product that they make, Halcyon, and many of you use the Halcyon. I have not had success with that. That is something I really need to play around with a little bit, but so far I haven't had success with putting Halcyon over epoxy and having it look right. So anyway, that's Jack's question.
So Stacy says, I was wondering what is the best inexpensive cordless router I could purchase, and what is your go-to router? She wants to make some signs, but she doesn't want the hassle of a cord. Well, as of right now today, which is the 5th, November 5th, when we're filming this, but you guys will see it, I think, on the 11th. Milwaukee has a killer deal going on. It's the Milwaukee cordless router with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, all the desk collection, and all of the accessories,
the charger,
and all that stuff for $199, and it's through Home Depot. And
that is a smoking deal.
A screaming deal. And Milwaukee is a great router. We use it quite a bit.
Yeah.
We do like the DeWalt. That's kind of changed my mind a little bit. The DeWalt we like that a little bit better, and the only reason is for the micro adjustment. Everything else the Milwaukee does great. It's got good LED lights on it. You can see really well. It's got plenty of power, but we like the DeWalt a little bit better. However, if you can find that deal for 199 bucks,
Oh man,
that's
do it because it's worth like twice that.
yeah.
I
think
I paid, like, we did a giveaway a few months ago, and I paid like twice that for
Yeah.
it.
Stay away from the Bauer cordless router. We've had nothing but issues. The first couple months it worked great. After that, stuff started going downhill fast. So don't do that. You're better off saving your money, or you're better off getting a DeWalt corded router.
Yeah.
You know,
Or, honestly, the Cobalt. We have the
Oh, the
Cobalt
Cobalt's
from
good,
Lowe's,
too.
and that's a lot less expensive than the DeWalt.
Yeah.
Or the Milwaukee at regular price. So the Cobalt, man, I use that thing on a regular basis. I really like it. So
Yeah,
the Cobalt
it's a good
from
router.
Lowe's, we haven't had any issues with that at
Yeah.
all. So that's more on the less expensive side.
Yeah, so there's some good options out there for decent priced routers.
Yeah, and going cordless on the routers, I gotta say, I'm a
It's-
huge fan these days.
It makes it real nice.
It's really tough to go back to the cord once you've used the cordless one.
Mhm.
Man, it's cool. So hope that helps, Stacy. All right, next and last question from Crystal. Crystal asks, can you get multiple uses from your layout letters and numbers and templates? Well, absolutely, you can. You can use those things. We've been using the same letters and numbers, layout letters and numbers and templates for decades. So yeah, they're made to use. Once you buy them, unless you break them, they should be good forever. So absolutely, if they build up, and they don't build up as fast as you would think they do, if they build up from the black spray, you can clean them. If you're using the primer, you can clean them with paint thinner. If you're using the Stencil ink, you can clean them with gasoline. But absolutely, they're made to be used over and over and over and over, thousands of times. There's no reason that you shouldn't. If you take care of them and they don't break, they're absolutely usable over and over. You should only have to buy them once. So.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that is Coffee and Questions. We hope this was helpful for you. And if you guys have any questions, shoot us an email. You can email me, Eric at Makerwood Sign, or Dad, or me, Ryan at Makerwood Sign, or Dad, Eric at Makerwood Sign.
He's pushing me out already.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's coming.
He just
It's
wants
coming,
both
old
the
man.
emails. If you guys don't see me, I'm not suicidal. I'm not sick. If I disappear, I'm just saying.
I'll check his brakes to make sure they're good.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was, again, like Ryan said, I hope this was helpful. We'd like to do this more, maybe from other coffee places. That would be kind of cool.
Try
just to
different
go
coffee
down.
shops.
Yeah, different coffee shops.
It won't be from a Starbucks.
No, we'll find a different place other than that. So anyway, guys, we love you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Coffee up.
I like that. Coffee up. Coffee up. All right.
I just thought of it.
It's pretty good. Okay.